Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, safe and healthy at home. Today in this video we will learn how to make perfect crispy and juicy jalebi at home. We make this recipe all the special occasions and festivals. I hope you like it. So let's go and get started. For Sheera, we need water 1 cup, sugar 2 cup, green cardamoms 4 to 5, lemon juice 1 teaspoon. For jalebi, we need lukewarm water half a cup, sugar 1 teaspoon, all-purpose flour 1 cup, orange food color 3 drops, melted ghee 1 teaspoon, gram flour 1 tablespoon and instant yeast 1 teaspoon. If you like my recipes, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful videos. Thank you.